What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Future Affiliate Pro video. My name is Jamar Jones, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of the SpinRewriter. You may or may not have heard of it. I made a couple TikTok videos about it, of how you can use it in your affiliate marketing business, and this is going to be perfect for the people who don't want to put their face on camera. They don't want to do video content for whether they can't for work or they're just they have anxiety. This is perfect for the person who wants to start affiliate marketing and doesn't want to create video content. Okay, so let's get right into this video. You guys are really going to like this one. So the folks at SpinRewriter were able to give me a month-long trial for me to use and then do this video for them. Now, they didn't pay me or anything to do this particular video. This is not a sponsored video. I was interested in SpinRewriter. I actually reached out to them to, I wanted to learn more about their particular software, and I wanted all of the suite so that I could do a proper review. Now, they were awesome. They reached back out to me and said, hey, you can have a 30-day free trial. Go ahead, spin around the software and check it out. So this is my review of the SpinRewriter software. So the way it works is you take articles from either from PLR sites or from around the internet, and you can take articles and place it into their software, which it will then spin and completely rewrite using their patented software, and it rewrites it into a 99% unique article. You can then take that article and you can format it and you can put it onto your own blog. The way this works is you can do one article or you can do multiple articles. You can crank out 5, 10, 15 different articles just off of one spin rewrite. And it's better I just show you than really try to talk about it, because seeing this in action is actually quite impressive. So when you go out, so I'm going to be doing for example, I'm going to use Builderall versus ClickFunnels. This is a YouTube video I'm probably going to do in 2021. But if you do a search, you'll see a lot of times when you do searches like this, it'll either be videos at the top or they'll just be blogs. Okay. So at the top here, you normally have a couple ads, then you'll have a couple blogs, and then you'll have a couple videos. Sometimes the videos are up above. On this particular situation, they're actually down farther. But here you can see there are a couple blogs that do literally, they have the same keyword, Builderall versus ClickFunnels, or ClickFunnels versus Builderall. And then they have, some type of whatever keyword, battle between sales funnels, or which solution is best for you. So I went in and found hustlelife.net. They have a really great Builderall versus ClickFunnels comparison blog. And we're just going to do a really quick demo. And as a cut, I want to say, if you do take somebody's article, even though it's 99% unique when it gets spun, to cover yourself, I recommend, and what I'll probably be doing on my new blog that I'm creating in 2021, I will actually be crediting them at the bottom. That's if I use somebody else's, their template or how everything is set up. Do you have to do it? No, you don't. There's tens of thousands or 100,000 people that use SpinRewriter, and they don't credit anybody because what comes out is 99% unique. So let me show you. So here, if we highlight and we copy and paste the first portion of this. So we'll just take the first portion of this and we'll just copy it. And if we go into SpinRewriter, we can go into rewrite a single article. And you can do this very, very quickly. So here you just copy and paste your article in here. So now we have our article in SpinRewriter. Okay. The next thing, what I recommend is going in here and setting these settings. This is what the actual software, the software creator of this recommends the setting for when you spin your articles. You'll just set this up, click OK, and then hit rewrite article. Now it's going through and it's starting to prepare the best synonyms for the words and everything for your article. It takes literally, you guys can see, less than 10 or 15 seconds, and the whole article will be spun and rewritten. What's great about this software also is that you can go through and change and keep specific words you want to be kept, and you can actually go through and individually, like manually change words throughout the blog, but the blog article. But what I recommend is go with what they actually suggest for you. Once it's completed, then you can kind of go through and read it for just readability. All right, so it's just about done. And what we'll do after this is completed is we'll go back into settings. So you can see here, it actually changed this article to 99% uniqueness out of billions of possible versions, right? Because of the combinations of words and how it's spun, it actually changes it from billions of different versions with a 99% uniqueness. Go into settings here, and I would take this toggle down to most readable. Use only synonyms that are definitely correct, and then leave this off as protect all capitalized words. Then hit OK. Then all you have to do at this point is hit one-click rewrite, and it's going to go and it's going to rewrite everything for you. You can literally write dozens of articles in one day. You can go through and research and pull, and you have the ability to save and archive a lot of your work. Once this rewrite is done, you can take it, archive it off, and then go on to the next topic for whatever your blog niche is about. And you can go and just keep dumping article after article after article. And then when you go and you're ready to upload the article into your WordPress, there is an integration built into SpinRewriter. Okay. All right. So once this is done, you can see it's 99% unique, which means you cannot find another article like this now that it's been respun on the internet. Okay. So I'm going to go again and say it is 99% unique if you want to credit somebody for this particular article. All you have to do is just like you're in high school again or in college, and you have to cite your resources. It's super simple. You at the very bottom of your blog article, you can say cited sources from X, Y, and Z, right? You can leave a URL, you can leave the name of the blog website, wherever you got the information from. You don't have to do that, of course, with the IDPLR, and I'll show you guys this in just 1 second. So now all we have to do is hit finalize article. It's finalizing the article and it's completely rewriting it. And what happens is you'll be able to go into settings, and then you can set these. I recommend setting these particular settings. Never use original words, enrich articles with headings, bullet points, etc. And then convert line breaks to HTML tags. Hit OK. And then the very last step here is to generate a unique article. Okay. So here you can see is a 98% uniqueness, and it's pretty much at this point, it's done. Your article is completely written, and then now all you have to do is take this article, and you can do a side-by-side. So here is a side-by-side of both of these articles, and you can see the spaces where it's highlighted are the words that are fairly similar to the original article. So as we scroll down through, you can see here that it's starting to change all the way through. So right here, what is Builderall? Builderall is an all-in-one digital business building and marketing platform. And so the next thing is Builderall is an all-in-one digital company structure and marketing platform, including all of the essential marketing tools. So instead of essential, it uses necessary, right? It's just plug and playing lots of different synonyms of words to make the article 98% unique. And this is content I recommend you go through and you can reread and just kind of tweak if it sounds like it doesn't, the readability isn't great. All you have to do is just go through and make the tweak and just upload it to your blog. It really is that easy. The SpinRewriter has been in multiple versions. It's been around for a number of years. Again, hundreds of thousands of people already use this particular tool, and you guys can use it if you want to create blog articles 1 per day or 3 per week. This actually makes your job so much easier. All right. And you can download this, you can post it to your WordPress, and you can do copyscape. All right. And here I'll show you another place where I recommend you grab information to build blog articles from. And this is one of the simplest and cheapest ways. You can go to idplr.com, and once you create, you can create a free account and access some of their material, or you can pay for $79, and I think it's unrestricted lifetime access for $79 to all of theirs, and they add stuff to this website all the time. And you can see here, I typed in affiliate marketing. So if we were like hustlelife.net and we had a blog site that talked about affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA, and stuff like that, what you could do is you could come in here and you could go into you could type in internet marketing, and you could write an article on traffic, right? And then all you would have to do is, it's free to download, and it's free to actually repurpose this content. So you can download it if you want. You can post it on your blog, but I recommend putting it into the SpinRewriter, letting the SpinRewriter respin it, make it 99% unique, and then going in and posting it into your blog and adding your affiliate links. Okay. And that really is the last step as you go to post it into your blog, is adding all of these particular places. And also what you can do is which I failed to mention, is you can add relevant videos and relevant images. Okay. And so all you would have to do is type in here and then type in, say, funnels, and see if it pulls up anything related to funnels. If you didn't, you could find some type of related images or videos from the internet, and you could plug them into your blog or into this particular, you can plug them into this article within SpinRewriter. Okay. So you can literally build out your whole entire blog post, and then you can import it using an API key or WordPress plugin. You can then import it directly into your blog, which is amazing. All right. So if you guys got value out of this video, leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Tons of great content coming out this year. Also, let me know in the comments section down below if you're somebody who was thinking about creating a blog, if this is a tool that you think you could use. I have an affiliate link for it. So if you guys want to check it out and check out their website, their sales page and everything, it'll be the first link in the description down below. Of course, it is my affiliate link. If you decide to use it, then it helps support my channel, and it helps me provide the best content for you guys going forward. All right. So again, that's the SpinRewriter review. Check it out for yourself. I believe they do a free trial. So check out the free trial. It's like a week or 2 weeks long, and you can play around with it to see if this is a tool that would help make your life a lot easier when it comes to posting your blog posts. All right. So after filming this video, I realized that I forgot two very important things. The first thing is the price of the software. The software is $77 a year. And also the second part to this, the most important part, is the bonuses. So I'm giving 4 ebooks and 2 different pieces of software away. These are going to be things anywhere between content creation strategies, ultimate link building, 30-minute keywords, turning articles into video, and an article helper. So if these are bonuses that you guys are interested in, again, the link is going to be in the description down below to pick up this software, as well as my bonuses. Again, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.